Why don't senior citizens ever play easy trivia for seniors? Because it always turns into remember when and lasts much longer than the actual game. And now, let us explore 11 practical tips on easy trivia for seniors. Tip 1. Choose topics in which they are interested. The key to engaging seniors in trivia games is to make sure you are discussing topics they enjoy. Whether it's history, music, films, or literature, select trivia questions that spark the participants' interest and curiosity. Tip 2. Keep questions simple. While challenging the mind is good, remember that for some seniors, too complex puzzles or questions could lead to frustration. It's essential to strike a balance between cognitive stimulation and enjoyment. Keep the queries straightforward and comprehensible. Tip 3. Include multisensory aspects. Turning trivia into a more engaging experience, such as displaying pictures related to the questions or playing a snippet of a song for music trivia, can make the game more interactive and appealing. Tip 4. Motivate with rewards. An incentive like small prizes or official title of trivia champion can inspire friendly competition and motivate seniors to participate actively. The rewards do not necessarily need to be physical items, just something that would make winning more fulfilling. Tip 5. Involve group participation. Instead of individuals answering the questions, divide the participants into teams. This not only fosters a sense of camaraderie, but also encourages collaboration and socialization among the seniors. Tip 6. Embrace technology. Incorporating technology, such as using a quiz app or online platform for trivia games, could make it more exciting and interactive. Although some seniors may shy away from using digital devices with a little tutorial, they may find it enjoyable. Tip 7. Use large print. For older adults who struggle with seeing small font, make sure that the trivia questions are easy to read by using large print or screening the questions on a bigger display. Tip 8. Balance difficulty levels. Incorporate a mix of easy and more challenging questions. This will allow everyone, regardless of their cognitive abilities, to participate. Too many difficult questions could lead to some seniors feeling left out or discouraged. Tip 9. Repeat questions if needed. Those with memory issues may need repetition, and that's fine. Be patient and don't hesitate to repeat questions if some participants didn't comprehend them the first time around. Tip 10. Place emphasis on fun. Trivia games should not solely be about winning or losing, but enjoying the experience. Encourage laughter and lightheartedness to create a fun atmosphere for everyone involved. Tip 11. Ensure physical comfort. Make sure the environment is comfortable for the seniors. This could include providing ample seating, lighting, air conditioning or heating. This will allow seniors to focus on the game and enjoy it fully.